Hello everyone, this is Hilda from Children's Legacy. I'm here with Fiona and her mother. We are first of all grateful for the medical supplies you've been giving to Fiona. Fiona is diabetic, so as you know, she has been receiving insulin injections every day. And we are grateful for the donation you've made. She has really tried to persist until now. Before Fiona got sick, her mother had been selling clothes to sustain them with food and basic needs, plus her supplies of medicine. So we are asking that in case we give her a hand, Fiona's mom can regain access to her business, which can help her sustain Fiona more with the medical supplies and the food. Please let us continue making Fiona realize that people are caring for her and are there for her. Thank you everyone who will donate towards this cause. May the good Lord bless you.